Once sewage mixes into that water, our crew suits up in full protective gear and pulls it out before anything else happens. That water does not get treated like a normal spill. It gets extracted and contained right away. Carpet, pad, and flooring that soaked up sewage cannot just dry out in place, so it comes up and goes straight into sealed bags. Baseboards and drywall get the same treatment when the contamination reached that high. Before any drying equipment goes in, the space gets sanitized and deodorized so nothing gets sealed up while it's still contaminated. That step is what keeps a sewage backup from turning into a lingering problem. Older homes in Sharpstown and Westbury on cast iron or clay laterals see this more than newer construction does. Streets near Brays Bayou in Meyerland and Braeswood get hit hard too once a storm pushes the sanitary system past what it can handle. Plumber deals with the actual sewer line. That's not what we touch. Our job starts with everything that backup ruined, from the water itself to the materials it soaked into. Sewage backing up in Houston? Call us. 346-313-8009.